Hi everyone, it's Øyvind Martinsen here. It's March 2022 and I am in Romsdalen in Norway. It's a cloudy evening and I am at a location where I have been many times before, and I was hoping for some more evening sunlight on the mountain behind me here, but it's a bit cloudy, but let's see what we can do about it. This is one of the locations I go back to time and again, and you can take a look at some earlier pictures I have taken. Take a look here. So let's go to work and let's see what we can do. The light is not that spectacular today, but let's see what we can do. Hopefully we will have some sunlight on the mountain. If we have an opening in the clouds, we have the warm, nice evening sunlight. It will come in from the left, and for now I'm going to try to take a picture with my 18mm wide angle lens. I'm going to use my Singh-Ray V1 filter, because here's a valley and I need to balance the light between the sky and the foreground here, because the sky is much brighter than the foreground here. So I'm going to use this V1 filter from Singh-Ray, and you can find a link to Singh-Ray in below the video here. And I'm not sponsored by Singh-Ray. I purchased these filters myself, and I have about 10 of them here in these two pockets. Take off the sunscreen. Let's try composition here. Beautiful, I get the diagonal line. Filter. Hand holding the filter, I have my cable release, my Canon EOS 5DS R camera, 50 megapixels, and I have my size 18mm wide angle lens, and I'm going to shoot at aperture f16. Then I get depth of field from the close foreground to the far background. Right now it's raining a little bit, but let's see what we can do. Using my V1 filter. Great. Yes, it's a V-shaped valley, and then it's perfect to use the V-shaped V1 filter from Singh-Ray to balance the light between the clouds, the brighter mountain and the darker foreground. Great. And here is my V1 filter. You can see it has a V shape, and I take it closer to the lens, and it will fill in the valley perfectly. And then I can balance the light here, and I get better balance between the dark clouds and the foreground. And this is without filter. See, the clouds are burning out, but here I get the darker clouds, which is more close to what I see with my own eyes. It has been a nice evening here in Romsdal in Norway, and you can share the video or you can comment in the comment field below. And I'll see you soon in another video.